Bank, let's take a look at some business news now. Postbank can absorb the informal sector, which in turn can help turn around the economy. That's according to the Post Office CEO, Mark Barnes.
Last week, the Postal Services announced that it's in the process of getting approval to operate as a fully fledged bank.
The Post Bank, as it stands, is able to take deposits from the public. In fact, there are 5.5 million accounts on its books. But these are only savings products, so customers cannot actually borrow from the bank. CEO Mark Barnes is targeting the large unbanked informal sector. He says with 1,600 branches, 800 points of representation, this gives the Post Bank an advantage to absorb this market.
That we've got a massive informal economy. You go and sit at the shopping centre out just at the edge of Alexandra there and watch the velocity of money, as it's called. You watch how people are going around doing deals, making transactions, buying and selling from one another. That's not recorded in the formal economy, okay? And as a result, those people don't pay tax, and not that we all want to pay tax, but there's therefore a whole piece of the economy that's not contributing to the building of clinics or schools or hospitals, whatever it might be. So if we invite those people into the formal economy by being able to make them formally bankable, that would start moving towards a broader based middle class.
But given the history of financial instability at the post office, how safe are deposits there?
The post bank's money is completely ring-fenced. We've got about 7.4 billion on deposit there, okay, with other banks and with Treasury. That money's never been touched, never will be touched. It's ring-fenced, it's completely insulated from the fortunes of the post office. And the test is out there. For the last 2 years in the post office, we've lost over 3 billion rand. Still didn't touch a cent of the post bank's money.
With a wide choice of savings products already available from 5 commercial banks, can the Post Bank compete?
From a savings point of view, the other banks can offer you better value than the Post Bank because they've got bigger margins at the moment. Okay, so what we've got is that we are accessible. Okay, right now, if we were able to grow our banking business, remember what we do now is we just take money deposits in the Post Bank and we put them back on deposits with banks or with Treasury. Okay, the margin on that doesn't enable us to compete. It's one of the drivers that we're looking for. Is if we had a bigger margin business other than just taking money and putting it back on deposit, we would be able to offer better rates to our current account holders.
Diabosito, SABC News, Johannesburg.